Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, 22nd of October 2018. So on Friday, the pound managing to move higher, heading back towards the 131 level, 20 bar moving average, but failing to hold, even though prices did move back towards the upside. Again, this market driven by Brexit news, and according to the news this morning, we're 95% to doing a deal, apparently. We'll wait and see. And overnight, the market just sideways range bound, so it's probably waiting to see what comes of the news that's out and about there at the moment. And yeah, Friday really quiet. Market started high, then came back to Thursday's low, and then was just trading in 76% retracements and double bottoms. You can see there at the close of Thursday, and then eventually we had some news that broke and sent the market up, and prices managed to stay above the 200 bar moving average. They dipped below a bit here, and currently bouncing off this area at the moment and above the DP, so a bit of bullishness there at the moment, but that can soon change. Close below the 20, the 50, the DP and the 200 bar moving average will change that in no time. No news today, so the markets are going to decide based on whatever news they can get in order to move the market. And no doubt the pound will be using this Brexit deal, 95% complete, will tell MPs in Crunch speech. Well, it wasn't too long ago that she'd only got 72 hours left in her job, so we'll wait and see. Like I said, that they're going to clutch at straws to get any news to move the pound today. And meanwhile, in the Dow, Friday, the market coming off the highs, stuck in the sideways range at the moment as this market consolidates. I have no doubts they want to get this up before Christmas, back to those all-time highs. They're going to do whatever they can to do this. Take it from me, they're going to do their damnedest, even if it means pumping more Fed money in there, the Fed trading desk working overtime, but they're going to do whatever they can to try and get this market to the upside just for one last push. No doubts about that. So on Friday we see the market sail down to the 200-day average, or 200 bar average in this case. The market puts in some buying, moves higher on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buying bars before it runs out of steam at the 25,600 level, and then the market works its way back down, breaks the 200 bar moving average, but then breaks back through and the DP level, trades sideways before working its way back through again. It was just no news, nothing to drive the market, and this is why we see prices coming off for Friday there. Meanwhile, in Bitcoin, nothing to report. The market is now a week since we saw this spike, and it's done absolutely nothing. In fact, the range is getting narrower there, so once again, nothing to report here at all. No news today, apart from May say something in a Crunch speech as far as moving the pound. Nothing to really move the Dow. We are in earnings season, but other than that, it's quiet on the Western Front, as they say. So unless something else comes out today, there is no economic news to help drive prices. Okay, that will do it for this one. If there's anything else to report, I will let you know. But other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.